right, this is your room tour of Ocean View 3229 on the Carnival Venezia. Here we go. All right, it is embarkation day, and let's take a look. Immediately on your left, you have some storage, nice sized closet, plenty of hangers, at least in this particular room. Just the other side, another closet, and no hangers. So maybe that's why there were so many on the other side. All right, you still have two more closets over here. So obviously plenty of space here, all the nice shelves available to you. And then in this final closet, you have your safe, a number of drawers, and an additional shelf. Turning back around, we have our bathroom here. Get the light on for you. And one nice thing about the Venezia is instead of a shower curtain on your regular Vista class ships, you get a glass door. So that's a nice little touch. And I will say it seems to be a little bit more narrow, but you still have the three little shelves for your toiletries there on each side of the sink. All right, as we come out, you've got a little table there, and then a nice size couch, and then your king size bed, which can be divided into two single beds or two twin beds if you so desire. And over here is our ocean view, although you're blocked a little bit because you have the little tender boats above. So that's a little disappointing, but not too disappointing. We're on a cruise, right? So there you are.